Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, where we hop around the globe to bring you fascinating travel insights. Today we embark on a journey to the majestic Alaska. Our first stop is a trip back in time to the momentous Alaska Purchase. Now, you might have heard of it being ridiculed as Seward's Folly or Seward's Icebox, named after Secretary of State William H. Seward, who orchestrated the purchase from Russia in 1867. For just over $7 million, the United States acquired around 660,000 square miles of land, an expanse teeming with natural resources and untapped potential. It might have been seen as a folly at the time, but it's safe to say it turned out to be a wise investment. From gold rushes to oil booms, Alaska has proved its worth time and again. So the Alaska Purchase marked the beginning of Alaska's journey as part of the United States. When we think of Alaska, the vast Alaskan wilderness instantly comes to mind. It's a sprawling, untamed world of its own, stretching out in every direction, teeming with life and brimming with natural wonders. The wilderness is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, from the towering Sitka spruce to the elusive Arctic fox. The vast forests of Alaska, predominantly made up of evergreens, are a sight to behold. They cover huge swaths of the land, creating a verdant carpet that stretches as far as the eye can see. Amidst these forests, you'll find countless species of animals, each uniquely adapted to the harsh Alaskan conditions. Yet, it's not just the forests that captivate. The pristine landscapes, from the towering mountains to the tranquil lakes, are breathtakingly beautiful. These untouched terrains offer a sense of tranquility that's hard to find elsewhere. The Alaskan wilderness is a captivating spectacle of nature that leaves every traveler awestruck. Anchorage, Alaska's largest city, is a place of exciting contrasts. It is a vibrant metropolis that bustles with life, yet it is nestled in the heart of the untamed Alaskan wilderness. This unique fusion of city and wild creates an atmosphere unlike any other. In the heart of the city, the cultural scene thrives. Art galleries and museums abound, offering a glimpse into the rich heritage of Alaska. The city's music and theater scenes are equally compelling, showcasing local talent and international acts alike. When it comes to dining, Anchorage is a food lover's paradise. From fresh seafood caught in the icy Alaskan waters to locally sourced game, the city's restaurants serve up a culinary experience that is as diverse as it is delicious. But step outside the city, and the rugged Alaskan wilderness beckons, offering an adventure that's just a stone's throw away. Anchorage truly offers the best of both worlds, blending urban comforts with the allure of the wild. Alaska, with its clear, dark skies, offers one of the best views of the mesmerizing northern lights. This remarkable spectacle, also known as the aurora borealis, is a result of charged particles from the sun colliding with gaseous particles in our planet's atmosphere. These collisions create vibrant displays of light that dance across the sky, painting the night with hues of green, red, yellow, blue, and violet. The best time to witness this celestial performance is during the long, dark winter nights, particularly from late September to early April. The further north you venture, the better your chances. Locations like Fairbanks and Denali National Park are renowned for their unobstructed views. Imagine standing beneath the vast Alaskan sky, feeling the chill of the winter air, and watching as the northern lights transform the night into a stage for their ethereal ballet. It's an experience that transcends the ordinary, an encounter with the sublime. The Northern Lights are a celestial ballet that will leave you spellbound with its ethereal beauty. Did you know Alaska is the largest state in the USA? This might surprise you, but Alaska is not just the largest. It's more than twice the size of the second largest state, Texas. No small feat, right? Now imagine a place so vast that you could fit 3 Californias or even 7 New Yorks. That's Alaska for you. And it's not just about the size. Alaska is a gem of diverse landscapes, from the frozen Arctic tundra in the north, to the majestic mountain ranges like the Alaska Range and the Brooks Range, to the lush coastal rainforests in the southeast. Every corner of Alaska offers a unique spectacle. The coastal areas, with their stunning fjords and islands, are a stark contrast to the expansive interior plains. And let's not forget, Alaska is home to the highest peak in North America, Mount Denali, standing tall at 20,310 feet. Alaska's sheer size and diversity make it a traveler's paradise. Fairbanks, the Golden Heart city of Alaska, is known for its warm hospitality. This charming city, nestled in the heart of the last frontier, offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. It's a place where modernity meets tradition, and where the spirit of the Alaskan wilderness is ever present. Take a stroll through the streets of downtown Fairbanks, and you'll find an array of museums and art galleries that celebrate the rich cultural heritage of the region. The University of Alaska Museum of the North, for instance, houses a vast collection of native art and artifacts that tell the story of the indigenous peoples of Alaska. In the summer, Fairbanks comes alive with the Summer Solstice Festival, a vibrant celebration of the longest day of the year. The city is bathed in sunlight for nearly 24 hours, creating a truly magical atmosphere. But it's not just the summer that's enchanting. Fairbanks transforms into a winter wonderland, with snow-covered landscapes and the ethereal glow of the northern lights painting the night sky. Fairbanks is a city that radiates warmth, even in the coldest Alaskan winters. Alaska is also known for its rich reserves of oil and natural gas. These energy resources play a massive role in the state's economy. Alaska is a powerhouse, providing over 20% of the United States oil production. The oil fields of Prudhoe Bay on Alaska's North Slope are amongst the largest in North America. However, this bounty isn't without controversy. The Arctic National Wildlife Refuge, a pristine and ecologically critical area, is a hotbed of debate. It's a tug-of-war between environmental protection and energy needs. Critics argue that drilling could disrupt the habitat of countless species, including the threatened polar bear. Yet proponents highlight the potential economic benefits and job creation. Regardless of the debates, these resources remain a significant part of Alaska's economic engine. The state's oil and gas industry employs thousands and contributes billions to the state's budget. Despite the controversies, oil and natural gas continue to power Alaska's economy. The Bering Strait, a crucial geographical location, is another notable feature of Alaska. This icy waterway, a mere 56 miles wide at its narrowest point, serves as a bridge between the easternmost point of Asia and the westernmost point of North America. It is the gateway to the Arctic, a strategic passage that has shaped human history and continues to play a pivotal role in international trade and geopolitics. In ancient times, it's believed that humans crossed this strait, then a land bridge during the last ice age, migrating from Asia to populate the Americas. This journey of our ancestors is a testament to human resilience and adaptability. Today, the Bering Strait is a vital corridor for shipping, particularly for countries like Russia and the United States. It's a region of immense strategic importance, a crossroads between East and West, and a critical junction in our globalized world. The Bering Strait, a vital link between two continents, holds a special place in human history. Juneau, Alaska's capital, is a city that surprises at every turn. Nestled at the heart of the Alaskan wilderness, it's a place that dances to its own beat. Uniquely, it's the only state capital in the United States without road access to the rest of the state. This doesn't hinder its vibrancy, though, and instead adds an alluring touch of mystery. Among the city's most awe-inspiring attractions is the Mendenhall Glacier. This river of ice, a stunning relic of the last ice age, is a spectacle that leaves you breathless. Its blue ice and surrounding wilderness create a panorama that encapsulates the untamed beauty of Alaska. Juneau's charm doesn't stop at natural wonders. The city is a cultural haven, with a rich history rooted in the Tlingit culture and the Gold Rush era. From its unique location to its captivating attractions, Juneau is not just a city, but an experience. Juneau, with its unique charm and beauty, leaves an indelible mark on every visitor. Alaska is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, thanks to its abundant wildlife. This vast state serves as a home to an impressive array of creatures, from the towering grizzly bears to the majestic bald eagles soaring high in the sky. The icy waters teem with whales, seals, and countless species of fish, while the forests and tundras host moose, wolves, and elusive lynx. The best places to witness this spectacle of nature? Well, there's Denali National Park for grizzly bear sightings, the Chilkat Bald Eagle Preserve to marvel at our national bird, and the Kenai Fjords National Park for whale watching. Each location offers a unique glimpse into the wild side of Alaska, revealing a world that is both beautiful and untamed. And let's not forget about the smaller critters. Alaska's insect population is incredibly diverse too, with over 1,000 species of moths alone. From the smallest insect to the largest bear, Alaska's abundant wildlife is a testament to nature's grandeur. So, from its historical significance to its breathtaking landscapes, Alaska is truly a treasure trove. We've delved into the rich past of the Alaska Purchase, journeyed through the untamed Alaskan wilderness, and visited the bustling city of Anchorage. We've marveled at the ethereal beauty of the Northern Lights and acknowledged Alaska's impressive status as the largest state in the USA. We've discovered the charm of Fairbanks, delved into the importance of oil and natural gas, and navigated the icy waters of the Bering Strait. Juneau, the capital city, has revealed its charm, and we've admired the abundant wildlife that calls Alaska home. Each of these aspects paints a unique part of the picture that is Alaska. They showcase its diversity, its beauty, and its significant role in our world. Thank you for joining us on this Alaskan journey with Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website, travelingkangaroo.com, for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.